Hello and welcome to my 11 plus exam videos. These questions I have taken from the CGP books. These are the CEM tests, the 11 plus CEM tests, and they have a combination of non-verbal reasoning and maths. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is they're asking which option is a top-down 2D view of the 3D figure on the left. So we have this combination of cubes, and what will it look from the top? So the way to do this is to look at it from the top. So the top being this, the top of the cube. So you will only see this. After that you see this, and then you will see this beside this. So it is 1, 2, 3. So you could see 3 squares and then 1 next. So the answer will be B. Okay, the next one is what will we see from the top? So from the top you will see 1, the top face, you will see 2. So you will have 2 parts jutting out. 1, so it could be this. No, you see this is more number of cubes. There are only 2. You will see 1 and 2. You won't realize that this is at the top. So this is it will look like one beside the other. So you will have 1, 2, which is 1, 2, and then 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So you will have 3 and then 1, 1. So your answer is D. The next we have on the top we see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, on one side you'll see 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, let me do it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left. This also has 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left. What about the right? Right, you will have 1 blank space. 1 and then a blank and then 2. 1 and then a blank and then 2. But you have this, we don't need that. So 1 and a blank and then 2. A is my answer. Next one is look at how the first bug changes to become the second bug. Then work out which option would look like the third bug if you changed it in the same way. Lovely. So what is happening here? Let me look at the shape first. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the outer one is changing, it's 1 less. So a hexagon to pentagon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be 4. It should be a square. So this is a square. This is a square. This is a square. This is not the answer anyway. So then next thing to be seen is what about the eyes? They remain the same, the shape of the face, the circle, 2 dots. So this is a square, it should be square and 2 dots, square and 2 squares, square and 2 squares. So that's all correct. So next we have to look at this shape on the inside. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. These are like a rhombus or parallelogram. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But they are triangles, 3-sided, 4 to 3. So these are, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sides. It's a pentagon. It should become a square. 5 to 4 or a rhombus. So 5 to 4, it's not 1, 2, 3. So this is not my answer. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is C. Okay. Next is this weird looking bug. Okay, it gets changed to this. So what's happening here? Look at the feelers. What is happening is the eye shape got changed. So it was circle here, square here, they change. Circle down, square up. See, circle down, square up. Do you see that? So this one will also change shape. The circle will go up and this will come down with the colors remaining the same. So this be white, so it will look like this and circle up. So this could be my answer, this could be my answer, or this could be my answer. This is not my answer. The next thing I will look at is the shape of the circle. That's oval, the black. If you look at the face, if you look at this one, the face is oval, so it will have the same, retain the same shape. All of them have the same shape, so that's not a good way to understand. Next we look at the body. So these parts will fall off and only the inside remains, so the outsides will fall off, only this will remain. So this is not right. Then this is not right, so my answer is B. So I'm not going for the other matches, but I think the answer is B clearly, because yeah, it is. Yeah, as you can see, this part grows big here, so the answer is B. Okay, next 6. What happens here? Okay, the shapes again. What's happening is we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is a four-sided, 3 4, and it becomes 4. So it is still four-sided, but what happens is it looks different, doesn't it? I mean, yeah. So it will be 1 2 3 4. It will be still 4, but it will look different. What about the eyes? They remain the same. So if eyes are square, round, they will all remain squares. The color is white. The color is white. It should remain white. So this is not the answer. Next is this, and it's triangle. Triangle comes second. So what is on the top comes second. Oval should come second. Oval is second for all of them. Then triangle second, circle third. So they are. So this comes here. This comes here. Colors changing. Okay. Colors changing. So this should come. This, which is always has. This should be third. It's third for all of them and the same color. What about the last one? The last one goes, the last one has gone here. It's 1 2 3 4 5. So it's now 5 sides from 4. There's a square here, 4 sides. It now has 1 2 3 4 5, 5 sides. So 4 to 5 goes up. So this was 1 2 3 4 5. It should become 6. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? What am I doing? Is it working that way? It's not working that way. Wait. 4 and... Oh, no. See what happened? It's my mistake. See. So what happened here is this came here and this went up. So this should come here. It's not what I'm looking at. So this shape should go down. So this shape has to go down. That's what has happened to all of them. So you have this shape here, this shape here, this shape here, and this should go up. So this should go up. So your answer is C. No, or A. Oh God, C or A. So it's not B. No. Okay. Let's look at the next one. So C or A. So then the thing is, it's the colors. It's the colors, right? We have to the arm things. Then no, not the colors. Not the colors. We're done with the colors. It's the arms. Let's look at the arms. So when we look at the arms, they go out, goes in. So if it is in, if it is out, it should be in. A is the answer. See, they are out, they're pointing outwards, then they're pointing inwards. They're pointing outwards, they should point inwards, and this they're pointing outwards. So my answer is 6A. Finally, this is not the answer, neither are these. 6A. Okay, 7 is a reflection question. Okay, so that's fairly easy enough, because what will happen is it will look this, this, this. That's the way it should look. So no, it's not this, it's not this. It could be C or D. Now look at this. The little black square should be here. Little black square is here. So C is my answer. 8. Now let me look at this. Alright, what's happening here? 8, this is not the answer, because this one has to be to the right. This peak goes to the right. This is to the left. This is not the answer. Is this my answer? It could be. It could be. It looks like this is the answer, but is it this the answer? No, because there's this bit of a hump there. Is this my answer? No, this is not the answer, because this, the left, this will, right will be left. So this is to the right, it should be to the left, which is for this one. So 8B. 8B. Next one is reflect again. That is then we have 1, 2. So I would do it in this point. Will come to the right, will be left. So it doesn't look to be this. It's straight, isn't it? It's a different shape. So it is left. They're all left. But what next? The next thing is this, and this is a bit thinner. It's not this. I don't think is this a different. It's slightly thinner, isn't it? It's too pointy. It could be C. Is it C? See this point and this point. Then a dip. This is this shape and this shape. This and this don't match. Do you see that? Maybe I've hidden it with the pen, but this and this don't match, and this match. Your answer is 9D. 10B is this is my answer. It could be this, could be any of these guys. But then look at this. Look at the wings. Maybe let's look at the wings. That will give us the clue. The things. This is fine. Then the black should be. Black is ahead of the gray. Black is behind the gray. Black is ahead of the gray. Yes, but black. This is not the answer. This is getting. Wait, I can't see what I did. So this is no. This is not the. I think it's 10B. Yep, 10B. Sorry, 10B is my answer. Next, I will have reflect. So it all is. This is not the answer, definitely, because it's the right goes left. Right goes left, down. So this will be to the right. It will go to the left. This is correct, but this is too big. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. It's 11B. Some can be done quickly, you can guess, but some it's difficult to guess, because you know, but that's the way it is. So we have to be faster. So I'm already over the time. Okay, but let me do this. Maybe you can attempt the maths bit first and do this later, but anyway, I just want to do all of them. So it doesn't matter for me. So which of the following is the largest? Circle the correct option. So this is 6 out of 10 is 0.6, 52% is 0.52, then it is 0.07, 0.69, 0.68 is 68 by 100. So my largest is 0.69, it is 12D. Then the weight of Hassan's dogs are 5, 18, 13, 12. What is the mean weight? Mean means I have to add. So 5 plus 18 is 23 and 13 is 36 and 12 is 48 divided by 4 is 12, so my answer is 12. So the next one is asking me, Susan has an extension added to her home. The new layout is shown below. Roughly, what is the original perimeter of Susan's home? So original means it has to be, it's a perimeter that's 6 and this is 9 because 4, not 9, 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's 2 times 6 plus 7, that is 2 times 13, and that is 26, so it's 26. Okay, then what is the new area of Susan's home? The new area should be, we have got 6 times 7 is 42, and that has to be added to 3 times, what is this, 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 times 4 is 3 times 4, that's 12, so it's 42 plus 12, that is, what am I doing? Yeah, is it 4? 10 minus 6 is 4 times 3 is 12 here, and 7. Okay, so we have 42 plus 12, and that is 54. So my answer is 54. Then I have this, a new photo printing service uses formula P equals 0.5x plus 3.5 to calculate its prices. Okay, where P is the price of printing in pounds and X is the number of photos printed. Malcolm spent 32.5. How many photos did Malcolm get printed? So P is the price, so I have to put 32.5 equals 0.5x plus 3.5, so it should be 5.0. 32 minus 3 is 29. Yeah. Equal to, so x is 29 divided by 0.5, that is 290 divided by 5, that is 5, and 25, 5 times 5 is 25, and 4 is 29, 58. So your answer is 58. That's it. Well, hope you've had a good time watching this, and you can do these yourselves. You have all the questions now, you can work them out yourselves, see how quickly you can get there. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time, and please like and subscribe if you find it useful. Thank you.